Okay guys, I did the review on this pen style lockpicking kit from Amazon the other day, and I thought, well, I'll just show the thing in action. I don't have this is just a bog standard disc padlock. It's locked up. I don't have a key for it, and this tension wrench is a little bit big for that keyway, but we'll give it a go. That's just like a standard hook that comes with this thing. Very tight. It's like a false set there. A little bit of counter rotation on that. And I think we got it. Yep. Just very tight for that keyway. And there you go. Lock it back up again. So that is the lockpicking pen from H&H off Amazon. Okay. Oh, there goes the camera again. Okay, so happy picking, guys. Stay safe. Good luck.